And
the lady Nancy continues to say,
Nancy,
too many couples get things backward. Lovers before becoming friends.
Paari kira baka ngay puntahan tangira. Ngiya na po siri ki batani roro.
You see, when they got dating, talking in the night, they get intimate, close to each other.
We
don't know whether it happened in Kiribati, but sometimes they receive one bite here. They say it's a love bite. It means, listen, it means that they were making love before becoming friends. They were more in touching each other, hugging each other, and not talking. Talking about the future. How many children they should have. What business they should take. They don't talk about it. They only talk about kissing and loving. So that's why this lady says, they put the things last, first. First things last. They will become lovers before becoming friends. This is one of the dangers when we go dating. It's waiting and dating. And not mating. You see the dogs go around certain time of the year, they follow each other. Smelling the tail. That's mating. In human beings, we don't mate, we get married. Because you see the dogs, they mate with one female dog here, next month another dog, and then next month another dog. This is why I want mothers to teach your daughters 7 B's. These 7 B's, B, 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 read it on the board. 2, 3. Books before boys, because boys brings babies. Mothers, teach your daughters the 7 B's. Don't get close too easily and quickly to any man. When you have a man close to your side, very soon you'll be baby, baba, baba. Very soon. Staying by yourself, you don't get pregnant.
Di ba yan na nagibado figo ko?
Some girls were very close to the boys during dating.
Tabi man na tayo ni mani rin kani ata ina ina nung tayo iroro.
Before marriage, they already carrying the baby.
Ay main temare. Ay po na ba? Tuwatay.
That's why I said books before boys, meaning study. Girls, concentrate on your study.
Ano na? Di ba yan tayo ginagigay? Ay ne. Kabali kami tayo. Kami tayo mo.
The closer you and the quickly you want to get close to a man,
Akon. Tibi ko.
I want to talk about the stages of dating.
Itangiri apan na maruruwag ini. Rinanin bayi ka. Ata ginagibukin tayo iroro.
Number one, just friendship.
Demon. Kangasi tireitak.
Just learning to know him or her.
Kangasi yata ginabantay. The why ginaying.
And then second, casual dating.
Can you elaborate more on that?
That casual is just taking somebody and buy something or maybe just go together.
Ay, ayon ka na rin na nagkaya ka nga sa tabo ma. Kangapon ti roro ni kangay. Kaya ka nga si ti tanyi-tanyi riya, ti buo-buo kiya. Tsaka kayo sa nanta batay nga na kanga kumira, kanga kwari kiya kwari kiya.
Just casual.
Kangapon si Reirei Mwakoro.
And then you got special dating.
I mean, ang kanya kangaya mo na baka nga naninokoro.
Now you want to know her better.
Kwatangiriya ni kan kina pa antay.
And so the boy will approach a girl and said, can we just be friends?
Ato ating mani abando ko yun na yun na kutabi.
And then they started to spend time.
Ano yun yata ko. Kaya
And
kami
then-
nakitabi.
And then they got steady dating.
I mean, ang kanya ka nga ay tinaro ka nga yan ano riking kan.
And then you got what we call engaged, to be engaged.
I mean, yan ako kanya ka nga sa tabo ma ay tikaben inalom tinaroan.
These two, they only decide by themselves. This boy and this girl said, I think we really to get married.
Yan ako kanya ka nga sa tabo ma abon ka ba ay ibon yun na tangirari ba ay abon roy ba abon na roy hari ba ay kanuan cerita
They
gimana.
convince themselves that maybe the best is to get married.
Pa abon ba na nagi na no ibon ni roy ba tikaben na marwa ay bunari boom.
After spending time with him or with her, maybe 1-2 years.
Imin daw to na wadiri imin na miroroan.
And that's where they engaged to be engaged. They talk about themselves and said, yes, I think we'll get married in December.
Imin na ya kangaya kabebe bo ni yan atak ayar sa kaloro ya kangapunti ta kabebe.
And then comes what we call
ay dero sa ron na batakarin din ke.
the marriage comes after the engagement.
I mean ang kanne karawag kanne kanga sa patemere.
Because after they talk about getting married, they reveal it to their parents, and the parents said, well, we will go and put it in a ministry of marriage. They are going to be married on 3 months' time or 4 months' time.
I mean na yung kanya ang kero ko don sutero rong ay angay sana kon nangala notice na kon the ministry at tabi na ayo ba na inang kada no ta kaya nang anang buti
Do you have that in Kiribati?
Yes, definitely.
And when that is up, people can come and check.
Kamuring ang kanabo ta kati beba ang katoka kero ya tani merin job sari tabi
And one,
ang
let him
kanya
say,
ano kon noria.
I know that men already married in Rambi.
Bare ayo bugina ba ano noria ama ta kono kay kanga ta matay ya po siya natay sa niyin toy rambi.
And they can prove the marriage notice out.
Ang kanya ko na ni mang kasi na ko kita ka notice an bayaki dinaron nari kanta nga.
I was asked to perform a marriage between two Gilbertis in Fiji.
Ay suanga giban na karawat mare iroya akang nga iri kare makani kribas.
Something happened and the girl wants to come and claim some money from the husband.
Ay ito ba Eric? Baday ne tangirian kan dokon kangan ibukin ta kan temane. Okay?
The husband was a sailor, was sailing the boat and he died.
Pa tuwari te mane enakon dari kanga te saka wa ke rin tinani kai buki amet.
And they wanted me to perform the marriage.
Awa tangirai panna karawate te mari.
But I couldn't because I know she was married.
Maya kona ba yataya ba tene asani yain.
And she was living with this man, not married.
Ayasan maka matemana yo yaki mari mangaya.
And she cannot get the money.
Ayaki konan de kirona te man.
So marriage time is very important.
Ayari te tai ni mari mo anta kakawak.
You know, there are some reasons for dating.
Yay bukin ang kay yay tiroro kita kari
To
kita.
build up our character.
Paano te tai yari na konan nikari kita kira ron anua ndai ta ke
To
kakawak.
learn about communication skills.
Bayan na konan tuangin aron tirita ke kakawak inanon te yain.
To be able to know the opposite sex better.
Bayan na konan nanganira kinakin daw yatagin damatari sinarita ki mangaya.
When we spend time to talk, boys learn about girls and girls learn about boys.
Yes, si Maroro astate siban dai man aya Maroro manike aya.
Also, to fill a vacant part of our body, we want to socialize.
Ako na naman nanganira kano akin na riake iroura ibukin dai takira arisa taya ba ikande ka na ba iroura.
They said, no man is an island.
Eda ba
No man is an island just floating out there in the ocean. We want to communicate.
ayan enen ka kawag ba sinarita kin tayo nako. Agi akanga
And then we can find our future partner.
ang kanaan te tayo kanare konan de kiyai kanga alatangirare siban yeyi akin dai non na tayo ni roro.
No, dating should be a time of sharing and discussion.
Ayari te tayo ni roro ayo te tayo kanga siba.
Don't just allow the boy to talk.
Tayo katayo niya ko yapon si dada na pati man na ko.
The girls also must express her feelings.
Ay nakakiming kami angkay kama maruro na bang kan kampun ko na nila kan maruro di kimi na pare. So mo po tayo teaching kan mina kan
If one partner is silent, when they get married, he is always be silent.
ay ari kana dada de man na ko karungwa ni ri te man mga dada ki ka ja to wa dada ko karungwa. Ko ne mga dada karungwa to wa. Man kana si dada kam karungwa. Ere gan. Kam na no di kami.
This is rules that this man gives if you want to date her daughter or granddaughter.
Awan ng kanya tita yari kanga tekaro enanga kanga tita ina kuya anate ibana kunan ndey niya suway kakawag kay.
First of all, you must get a job.
Bawa yo kakawag ko te mane ko na remuan kabani amre rebo ko
If you don't have a job, don't bother talking to my daughter or granddaughter.
kana kwa ki karika mo te ki kwa mo makuri kwa kona ndey ta manasu.
My daughter or granddaughter wants to be fed, to eat.
Nasuwa yo kanga te sama marake.
She wants to wear clothes.
Ikan no ya.
Maybe she wants to go places.
To kan raw na kuntaboy kakamimi.
How can you afford? You don't work.
Ako nakakangkan awaki amman buokya.
Every parent also wants their daughter to be fed and clothed.
Karo atangiri anasiya ba nanumaya anaiye yoniya.
If you don't find a job, then that will be a hard time for you.
Ang kanano ba yagiri ka maguli ena po nang kaangkanya kuna nubuna na
When you talk about job, you may not find employment, but just work hard.
ta sagsita gina kanga te maguli to anta tauta ka kitera masita gina kuna nang angkan kasi sinakunte maner kanga nabuna na simba kuna din kabena kuna mamaguli.
Fish,
Kawa
plant,
ununigi
kata copra,
oroben
just hard work.
when si te maguli
You can get the money to be able to support.
bayangan de ke mana
That's why this man said, when you want to date my daughter, first of all, find a job.
awan kanya tiroro sa kita pa si maranami
work hard.
ba anakaro ni ire train ena kuna ni banana nanga na kesa si bukin dasina
Second thing, you must understand, I hate you.
taka wawa rin kakawagi aran kakawagi kuna wota yakita
Because
iribayo
I don't know what you'll do to her when you are alone.
hari ka tayo ba tira kuna karo ena kuna si kuna ano na ba ay singko mga
Maybe dating under the tree beside the sea.
kita nakagin na kama tika ka nga ilarikin tari
Maybe
tari
taking her in a car.
kita ko iriria inanun teka.
I don't know what you'll do to her.
Ya kata ya patera ako na karoy na ko ina.
That's why I hate you from the start.
Ngayon bugin ang kaibon di bayo kung kikamu
That
ni
should
raro.
ring a bell to us and said, well, boys, we must find ways to win the parents' heart.
Awan ang kanari at irikan kanong kamday ito mani kangan tirang ko na rata kari. Kangan ni kakamera raw ni kakatara roy ko imatay ya karo. Okay? Bay ko ang tangiraki. Okay?
And that is something you need to note.
Aan ito bay ako na bondia ni karoy.
No parent would just give their daughter anyhow, don't knowing where she's going, what they're going to do.
Pasya kari kanga kumena at karo. Awan kanga sida met jabay ni baba ba kanga japan na ri ka awan ki kanga ya ko.
Thirdly, I'm everywhere.
Takadenua imen ang tapo ni kaban.
If you do anything to her, remember, I'll know.
Ano koro ito ba ito wala na kun nasu. Kuna rin na tayo pa yataya.
I've got agents around.
Yay au sa tararuay ka ko.
FBI,
BIF,
secret police,
Terain Boys,
CIDs.
ICD,
I'm everywhere.
imen ang tamo ni kaban.
The English says, the walls have what? Ears.
Ay aro yan ito ginagan. Agi ka nga ti meron agi yon na tagi ni bayi kari.
You hurt her? I'll what? Yeah, eye for an eye.
Ko kamera ka na su. Kuna nori ko. Enaro kambong.
And then the sixth, what does it say? Fifth, be home 30 minutes early.
Rokon ti mga nga dilibu iti minis ni mo antay.
I'll talk about this later. You must tell your mother where you going and what time you coming back.
Erang kakawag ko na siya nga sinam bakunakia ako na kiningay.
If you said you come back at 10 o'clock, be home by 9:30.
Kanano ba kutagi na bakunakia kita ati buina roko ni teran duwaiwa.
No loving mother would sleep before the daughter comes.
Kamataya
Before the daughter comes back.
kamataya inanong tayo ti irorohan yung kanano na ba inako na sim ti ayine. Ang ko jakaro kukuna ko muna kimesu. Ayari ka na ko nga yun akin tawa ti buina. Montay ko agad tinibuti.
So when you say 10 o'clock, 9:30, you must be home.
Ayari ka ko nga yun akin ti pasina kami ti pay angay. Tiraw tawa ti buina.
The mother can sleep well
But ti sinayangan montay ni mesu.
because you're home before you have.
Para ko montay.
Indicated.
Ayun tabi tayo ikaro ay ko mesu bata.
Next one, get a lawyer.
Tikono wa. Kaliga tiroya.
What's the lawyer had to do with dating?
O tira na karoya tiroya tayo ti iroro.
It says there, if you lie to me, I'll find out what we've talked about it.
Awan kan parang kan ako kebe ana pun ko ni ate ba koroy.
She's my princess, not your conquest.
Awan kan na yin ka ngayon na princess. Siya ki ka nga ambayin ka rin.
Why I told you to get a lawyer? Because I don't mind getting back to jail.
Ay awan di ba yan ni kakawag.
I'm an ex-criminal.
Ayo ka nga ayo ay pun di reality ate na ti wayo ke bugi ana sa ine ke.
Because
Ngai te karo ana ko ra de maguri ay kita maro. Era iri ga iri na ko te kara bush. Ibugi na muaga ko ra yan ko na siuti ay ine ke nga te kagan.
If you're not behaving well, I don't mind going back to jail, but I'm going to hit you.
Aya kita bang kanan na ba yan mga gira te kara bush. Ibuni-bugin ka nga muaga ko ra yan ko na siu.
So,
Ayaran kan ne.
now we're going to talk about general friends.
Ang kan sa maruwa kinare ka nga bunti.
Just forming friendship and casual dating, group activities together.
Ayo kan ne ka bo si tirita kini ka nga igi nga tirita kya tamaro ka nga yun tirita kinaron
Recreational and church work together. Just do them within all of them.
karon tayo wagi ka kawa kinaron to ti kare siya kiti tirita kinaron.
Not when we go for the rally or the combine.
Sa kare ka nga sinakontinan. Wagi
After the combine, after closing Sabbath, we walk home
tayo min ti kain tabe so sirian na nugira mo ngara.
and we start dropping off one by one.
Ang kibo tirian na ta may bondi na kubota iya buwan na bati man.
And you ask, hey, where is Natang? It's one of the girl I know in Rambi.
Ni crying.
And they said, there.
Ato kuwari?
They are behind there with the John.
Imene game son.
Remember, you go together, come together.
Kamuri nga. Kanapon te kem, tinakon kain tabas, tinakon na outreach, mananga ni kabani, o kini kabani.
You know the boys like the barracuda, the fish out there with the long. They want to split the soul of fish. And you must remember, girls, you might be eaten.
Kunoria ngai rata ni man ngasta po ngai ra metenan ika ki tenan to awa. Ari tan ka kirwe te wa ki kana.
They say
Asha sikuna be mat ke.
the banana that left the bunch, you know the banana, if you pull him out, left the bunch,
Kamnora te banana ari kan kwasi kwa sinan kuna.
is skinned
Ari kunina ari.
because they left the bunch.
Ari kwasi kwa tia ka kin bayan.
Stay with the crowd. Stay
Wala.
with the crowd.
Sigo mete kora tainan kan ka ko koro. Ana ya punti ira ka ka ki jai ri ni ka bane. Segeri kan ga. Ke ai bu ma ban no ja mai kai.
These gender friends, you can talk with somebody, then maybe next week you talk with somebody else.
Ayan. Enga amun tain te mama nga tai kari ke te bota ke te kari siya baka nga iroun sina bota ye ka nga am wa gere kona karo ya ke sek tain to romantic ya yo ke tain when te wa gere karo wa ke
Friendship and casual dating can go as long as 6 to 12 months.
ta te re gere ke yo te kanga te wa kanga ni moni ka kari ke te yo ta ina kon ta te ka ke ono wa na kon te bi me wa te na makaina
This is a time to observe.
ayo te te ka nga ale tain tara
When we have volleyball,
ta bo tain te tenete
girls use the time to watch the boys.
anang kan mi tain mamata
And boys maybe watch the girls.
ay ne taraya mane
Some boys want to show off.
ita man hay ti kan shiro kiro ya
When the boys team lose, all 5 of them were not, he's still standing inside.
an kan abon ko na ga ngayari sikuna ba awi ti kan da buiro na
You know that kind of boy, you know. He's a kind of boy that want to show off.
ako kono ra ka kinna tani mani ani ki aka nga ki ana ka ti yebo ti ta ka ro me ka yo ngayari ra muna ba aka kinna kan ne kan iti kan shiro kiro na
Some boys, they almost fight because they count the score in, out.
o yiri arang stawarang nun tain ti ta ka ro ikang aron ti may yo ki o
You
ba
want to use his hands.
ko kunang ka bunga na ba
And you remember, girls, if you end up with that boy, your ear will be hot.
ang kan na kunaw ring ang kan kana ka nga kan shiro kin ta internet eh pang ko kera ken jama ta irona pa ya kan ne ano ko na mga pama ngayon sa tayo wa
Don't just go and sit and giggle, girls. Watch.
tay sina kon nakakin ti puputa kin nakakin na yo ti ta ka ro matira rom mari ka ko irora makay anam tay matakwakin na
Some boys are very kind.
ye ita man na tay ni manirang na ko
Maybe just play for half and say, now sub. Get one girl to play.
alin na kon ti mana ka ta ya ro ta ta ka ro no may kan ta ka
But many boys not good. They cancer work.
ay ta kin na ti wayo elang ko ra ti kan shiro kireta na siguro ay ti na insta boy game
Sometimes the girl leaves early.
Dapat tayo, diyan ikita na tatapon.
Hey, we haven't finished. 5 o'clock.
Stuwain to kyo, kuha na ko na.
No, 4:30 I have to go back home. Why?
Yari ay no kirikakin kayo. How?
I'm going to help my mother because we're having some visitors to help her cook.
Ba't naman tayo, nabuha kasi na unang mama ko rin.
So you know, those girls still playing when the sun is set and then they will fold the net.
Mayaya tayo na yun eh. Ay, ka nga ipon na kaya sikin ko na iya. Asi ko na ko, may asi ko na ko. Yapo nga rin. Kwag ibubuwag.
And you know, boys, that girl, if you end up with that girl, you eat only noodle in the evening. 2 minutes noodle.
Aka ginay na kan eh. Kana kwa yun ni mga iya. Ano ko na si kang nuto. Aka na kwag. Ay, kang ito na si pare. Kapuan ito na sinakunti kang nuto.
But the one left early maybe cook some raw fish and maybe roti.
Mari mo mo tayo nagi. Tayo kukuha na tayo di ka tamaru aroin karo yake tero chingana no bebasin karo tero.
Don't just go and watch and giggle and make fun.
Tayo sina ko kang takakaro. Ali nako mamatak.
Remember, it's just window shopping.
Konora sa tayo yan eh. Ani ka nga tayo na ginawa no timawa na mga ina. Kaya tayo nga si mamatak kung sa tapon pupay.
Agree with myself.
Naku na nuri apaterari menero.
I want to buy something in Suva.
Tay na ina ko ka pupay suwa.
And the first street is Coming Street.
Ate de monta pori ko ye ka nga yan
And then I
nagpatakamin.
find what I want to buy.
Ay tangiri pa nakabuhat pa
I
yari.
bought it.
ay kabuwa,
and then walk the streets
ay mga mananganak ko rin.
to catch the taxi or the bus.
Aki yan natin ba, sige,
And
taxi.
lo behold, I find the same thing in another shop.
Ay, yung mga kuya naman, bayarin, tabuharin.
But it was cheaper
May aburo ay rin.
because I didn't take time to look. Window
Ano ka?
shopping.
Mayari tayo, haro, sakit tayo, yain ka nga si tatay na observe, tatay in window shopping. Arin, nunuwa na kung tipi mawat na makay.
Don't just end up with the first boy that talks to you. You wait. Look around.
Tayo, maningan ako, kikang ko po yung sibang kong kibanante manihan. Tatani nga, memta ko.
So you must observe.
Kapasari ka sa tara-tara.
Then comes the special friend.
Ang kan isar ko kanya narika nga ito rika nga ay ito iroro rika nga yamo na rika ito special friend.
You know, when you are dating, it is a mature job for mature people.
Kuno na ba ito iroro? Kanga siya kiti bay kanga ti bay sararin na ngayon na ti bay na tay. Ay ba yaman ta kanga abon ni kawai abon na tari ana po ni karoy.
You need to inform both parents,
Ay na ko iroro. Siya kisiya mi bay. Kung wa tamem masinam.
especially the girl's parent.
Riking ko iti ay ni. Kung wa tamem.
And you have to tell the girlfriend, hey, I'm coming next week to just tell your parents that doing?
Tayo na sila giniko sinam, okay?
And sometimes the girls will reply, "You finish your time, ma'am."
Tong ko ti ko na asan din na
You old girls, don't get cheeky with your mom.
ay ne. Tairangin kangan kakaitaraya sinami.
As long as you are under mom's roof, you need to be obedient to mom.
Ngay ko mena yan na nababayar sinam o ngoyron sinam.
You must be happy that somebody is worried about you.
Korean kukurey payay ay irangin daro may kini ko ay mena ilarikim tayo.
Where you going and when you coming back?
Pakona na kya kono kiningay.
She needs to know where and when you coming back.
Iriay na tayo pakona na kya kono kiningay.
As I've stated, dating starts at home, ends at home.
Alay naroon na itagin na timaroro ketiroro iriay ni kakaraw kinti mo yan.
Sometimes you're sitting at home, sitting with a family.
Ta kote-kote ma'am amusu
And the car,
ateka etay.
and then the horn, toot, toot, toot.
Ayatang na bati bim bim bip bip bip.
And the girl said, "Hey, I'm going."
Jay na anong ina ko mo?
Jack is in the car.
Ano rin ka?
Girls, tell that boy to come home. Stop the car. Come out.
Tay gandan ngayon bako na kon ka. Swang at wari ba na inasin ako men ka.
Let him so respect your mom and dad.
Sa gere ka nga kabimbim na ba ang ko sin ako na ba.
We don't just allow anybody come and tell you to go.
Kang sa gere ka nga tibay menari ka nga kabimbim de man ang ko sin ako na ba.
Tell that boy, please stop the car.
Sinama na pun pensyon ko
Come home.
Swang ramari. Kaya sino ko men na ka. Kino ko men ako.
Sit down. Don't just stand at the door. Sit down.
Kino ko men ka kay nanon diaw sa Maria San din ako may mana. Kita ka kay.
And then from there you can go out.
May kan kamasip ako na nosin akong kan.
So many young people don't show respect to the girl's parents.
Yung mais tani na mahagi ko at karinili na kuya na karon na yere tiyain.
And some girls are also stupid.
Ay mais na ba tiyain ka nga yan ang burabe bata na yun.
They are like a child,
Kang sa mata ka
not matured,
asoy meni kaway.
to show respect to her parents,
Ay ano ko ta na batawagin karinili na kuya ya karon.
who raised her.
Ari akay kawagi roya.
Now she's 20 years old,
Ngaya iwa buiteriri.
clothed, fed,
Asan kun kaya Amerika ka.
get educated,
Asan day.
and he just allow anybody to just come and call you.
Ako kariya yan ang bataman na naroon. Metay ko may sinanok.
One thing I want to advise you girls,
Tawa na tabayo ka na advice ni kami.
don't leave your parents home too early.
Tay kikita niya miuso ni mo antay.
When you marry, you're gone from your parents
Pati tayo ko yay. Kwa kita niya mo.
for the rest of your life.
Inano ni Mao.
Therefore, don't be in a hurry to leave your mom and dad.
Ayari sa kita ba yung katakakakita ba yay?
Teach that man to show some respect to your parents.
Riin na demanian niya ba na kota na ba ng karinilin na nakunta ba masinam.
I already said the greatest blessing one child can give the parents is to present him or her to the man of her choice, getting married.
Awan ito na takabani ni banta ni ramuan te bumuragan daw na bay. Kaya nga na sinadama ta nakunta man.
I'm saying some girls get pregnant
Meron ka na nakawag ba? At ano yun tabatay? Abi ko na ba?
before he gets married.
Si main arit to yun kita meron.
Give your parents the greatest blessing to take you on a wedding day, girls.
At ay nain eh. Angang kami at kabanan tamaro ba? Anong tawag? Bay miro yami karo. Hindi tayo ka mamasiya yung tayo
And before you get married, tell that young man to show respect to your parents.
Ay man di yun na swang raman. Bayan ako tanang karinilin ako tabi masinang marikay kaway ko.
Come and notify your parents that you are going to be dating. Tell the parents. The boys should tell the parents.
Vete raman ba na inangat maruro na ko yam karo kamamo na rita kimi.
And now when you are dating, tell him to show respect because you are not leaving home yet.
Ang kamayoro, asang at Duana by nakakarinayaro yung karo.
You know, there are times where it's just best to just talk in the day.
Dapat tayo, yay tayo karin kakawag es kunan, that maruro yung tangay na.
Don't have to go out in the dark all the time.
Abun na kasi po yan karawag, hintayin tiro tong.
Parents know now. You already told them that you're going to be spending time together.
Ata yam karawag, kanang kabani amin tayo mina bahay pun tani yun kami mina.
And for us in Fiji,
Ay,
it's not safe to go out in the night.
Kaya kirangin, manwa ako na, manangan ako, antero.
Many young people are addicted to drugs.
Ang kay, yayaman tayo, asin na mga akin, the drugs.
Big case in Fiji about the drugs.
Eh, ang bumurangay na ngayon, dakan din drug na
You don't know when in the dark, somebody comes in the dark.
Kung ako na tayo, ang kanakuriyan na tayo, tayo rin ka, di man, ko na ba?
There's a story of a family that I'm relating here.
Ay, matusuay.
The girl went to the boy to a lover's lane. They talk about this. As they were talking, dating, one man came with a crowbar that they use for loading the sugarcane. Hit the boy in the head and hit the girl in the head. Both died. Two other lovers were there too. They were hit dead. You don't know. Maybe not come here to Kiribati. You must remember.
The
Solomon, the wise man, talks about his experience. The boy and the girl were going to date that night, according to the story in Song of Solomon's. And the girl was getting ready to meet the boyfriend. And the right thing was, when the girl waited, the boy to come and pick her up. You know, when you date girls, you really clean yourself, dress up. When he got dressed, he got the scarf around her neck. Oh, don't forget the perfume. Psst, psst, psst. Put on her. No, it's not like this. Maybe girl, my boyfriend is dating. And he waited a little more. He waited a little bit more. But the boy didn't arrive. So he took off the swoosh. Put her beautiful dress out. Put her nightie. And lie down on the bed. And waiting. Just then, the knock at the door. And he said, please, my dear, open the door. I'm freezing. I'm cold here.
And
the girl said, I've taken off my shoes. My robes. Why should I put it again? I've washed my feet. Why should I sole them again? There was no voice. The boy put his hand on the knob of the door. And his perfume spread out into the room. When I smelled that perfume, the lady says, my heart pounded. I wanted to let him in.
Yatangiri ni karin na inan auruai.
And I rose,
Ai teirake.
put on my robe,
Ai ikabaya teruari yau.
and then to let him in.
Ai karin na.
And my hands, as I touched the doorknob, all the perfume smelled.
Angay irina. Demenari katoka beri to wayo bointe beri rari. Iriniana ko bayo.
In verse 5 it says, I opened the door,
Etagina ka ikaw ka timataro
but
ni.
he was gone.
Mayasad na ko timane.
My heart broke.
Ewa kinano.
Then I went into the streets calling out his name,
Ay na konti kawa iwebe ti arana.
but I couldn't find him.
Ay akiro konti nori.
There was no reply.
Agi atakaya.
The night watchers or the private constables, security in the streets, they got hold of me.
Arang hindi buto ko rin kakatara ruwata kawanin na tayan.
They took and bruised me.
Kasi kaya akaray aroy kakita maron ako.
And they threw me in the streets.
Akarin ako ay nanon tatabuan.
And then I went to the women of Jerusalem
Ay minay na kuya ay nanon Jerusalem.
and asked them to find that boyfriend of mine.
Ay so niya ba nakakaya at
And when they find him,
ang ako niya,
tell him that I'm in love with him.
ang ako niya ang naswang ay tangiriya.
What I'd like to say here,
Talay tangiriya tayo na ikay.
they started off well. He waited for the young man to come.
Abo nang mga kinaroy iroro at mero ay tatani nga.
He didn't go and stay under the coconut tree or beside the church waiting for that boy.
Eh kinako nasosyon ako tan.
He waited for the boy to come and pick her up.
E pun tatani nga yan ang nanaw si banero ko tuwari nanayam.
But the problem is, he didn't open the door.
Mataka nga ba yaki kau ka timataro.
And he wanted to
man.
And then he slapped me.
Ay apun karitan nga inap.
And what happened now? I leave him.
At rang kaya yakasukwa.
Good, but the boys always inject, drink the number.
Mare wakasukwa to wari te man ito taripon na ba?
Can I speak with Nico, please?
Iko nang tata ni
Hey, Nico.
ni am taripon na.
Boyfriend ringing.
Mga taripon na pero.
Tell him I don't want.
Agi akan taripon.
She said she don't want you.
Ay kaya tok ba yan?
Give her the phone. Just give her the phone.
Siya nga na taripon ba tayo?
Yes. Please forgive me.
Tatayo
You
kabaraw.
know what I did to you last night was not right.
Yata di ba ko rin kemo
I
na
promise I'm not going to do it again.
Ya
Promise.
pinipiritang kay. Yat mongog
And the girl said, okay,
ngay.
promise. Promise.
Okay
Okay.
nga te perita.
And then the next night they go out again.
At tayo di gari ko mga ko lang mga.
And then another night got a slap.
Ay mga bunda ba na ba?
And the boy apologized.
Eh mangkaraw ta ka na matuwala
Then
man.
continue.
Bunda isin ako.
This is red light. Only happened once.
Ayo area isita wana te
Leave him.
Kita na na bangke kay.
No one deserved to be hit once.
Eh area te area gina ba isita wana.
We are all praises in a family. Girls,
Ngaira ay ne buntayan.
put in your thick head that you are praises to mom and dad.
Kanga siri ko tinani bayo ay nanu mo.
They don't even slap you.
Agi tayo
Now
ba
you
na
allow
tinayo.
that boy to slap you.
Ang kay ko kare ba.
That's a red light. Just assault once.
Ayari sika kaya geri gari to na tay kariya yan. Yan ako na
We have
ba.
the meeting in the Maniapa,
Ay pote te maroron te
and the
manya
boy
ba.
is sitting there,
Ate mani tay ta
and
ka
the people are coming,
Awa mataro.
and the girl is coming from that end, the girlfriend,
Ate tay ni ari ka nga iroro mga mga
and the boy said, "Shh,
Ate mani to. Naman ta may kay.
teka kay."
Ta kay.
And so the girl went around,
Aniri manang
and the boy get angry. Shh.
ate te mani ari.
He already know because he already tasted that feast. But he still have a blockhead still following him.
Paboysan nataya bari paboysan karawan na ba na ko.
And the girl sat down.
Am
beside
kanta ni
him.
nga yapon ko kande pon ta ngari ka nga.
The boy is still looking in front.
Ate te mani ari tatara mo.
I told you to come quickly, come quickly.
Kanay suang ko ba ko na ko may.
That's what I said. You should stand up and say, that's the last time, first and the last.
Rari ako tira kaya ako kangay na ba no?
My parents did not raise me up. My parents did not raise me up for you to use your elbows on me.
Ako karo agi kari kayo ako baka nga ko na bumugin ni bayay.
And if he wants to get angry, say, I'll tell the police.
Kon sino ikunan tuang niya boys man paano ko man.
If not, I'm going to tell my father
Ano na ko naman suang na ba tanaw.
to beat you up.
Ay na tayo ba ko karo ka.
Look here, girls.
Atay na ini.
Assault only happened once. Finish.
Kanari kintawan na tatay.
If you continue to forgive, you'll be receiving those slaps and punches when you get married.
Ayan. Bunta tayo ka ang kakabara buri ay. Ako na yung kakabara buri ay. Anang buri tayo wari. Akan niya bayay kung na mga bun kaniwayan tokin sa tayo.
One of them is, another is insult. When you talk hard to him, reprimand him.
Awan niya na bangkad. Kanaro na ba? Kwatete ka nga, titete ka nga. Ay, kwa nga na ba ka nga. Am kaya sis. Yan ba ko tangini ba na.
Sometimes, better to receive a beating from a belt than those words.
Ando ba tayo ka kanya hapon ng sisilap. Na konti teorya.
These are closing remarks now, dating tips.
Hay kaya nga nakakainin ni maroron din tabakantayan. Tatay rigay.
Avoid empty places.
Tabayaran ni kakawag, kaya kanya ba kasi kunan ko ni Roro, kataya, tayo na kung taboy ka nga agya kaya.
Empty homes.
Tamaya nga agya kaya na,
If parents are not at home, don't get the boy home.
kanagya am karon mo yung tayo na tiya raman niya na kung mo yung
Empty beaches.
tayo na kung tinanin bigay ka nga agya kaya.
Empty parks.
Tinanin, akagin na ko taboy agya kaya.
Empty cars.
Tsaka anya ka na ako.
You know, some girls think that they really look like girls from Hollywood when they sit in the car and their boyfriend drives them.
Kuno natin, ako po ni Roro, mga yo, at yun, ka nga yun, tsaka, pinadaan ka ba, tsaka ako
Behind the boy on a bike.
Geto ka ni Roro, ni Roro, ka nga kuha na rin.
And the hair is flying.
Ikiba-kiba na.
Remember,
Muna.
that bike or that car ends your virginity.
Ngayon, tsaka, kitirepe-repe,
You
Kaya
finish
wishing kami
being
na-
a young girl, now you almost classified as a mother.
Ngayon,
Avoid those
ito ako na
places.
jakak.
If you ring your girlfriend and say, who's home? Oh, only me. Where's your parents? Or they go and visit somebody with pasta.
Tangka na ba taripon to white man. Hindi kami na kan. Kay po singay. Paano ko nang kukaro?
I'm staying with grandma. She's sick.
May kayo ko ma sibu ba yorok?
And the boy said, I come and we look after your grandma together.
Asa nano ko sa kay naman daragwam kara.
Girls, watch those words.
Pantara-tara ray
They're
batero.
like the serpent.
Kangat tayen
You should
nata.
say, no. I think my dad won't be happy on my mom if you are here when they are away. You just stay there in your home.
Swang atawana. Tayo na ko may batugin ang daddy mamami.
And when you come,
Ngana ko.
you don't really want to look after my grandma. You want to look after me.
Ano ko na ba ano ko kita rawa sibu. Ano ko nang ato ko nang puntara-taray. Ang kan ime ko ngay tayo.
Girls, you must watch your dress.
Ayun tararwa ro yun yami.
You must avoid dresses that are too short.
Ayari, kono na ba yami tayong ko sinanun kangate wami akanga na tarataraki ay kanang kororo onyami.
First of all, those dresses that expose much of your body.
Ari ko ngay no si babam.
Sometimes they have just one, striptease.
And the patay kanga si Duana kangate
Strip?
kangate
Just one strip and
kangate wana na
expose
kachang
your breast.
oh yo ko sila kanga tuwan mem.
Avoid those dresses that expose much of your body.
Kono na tayo kanya kwa kataya kono na karigate kanga ya.
And the dress that is too short.
At kawere kay yarang kororo.
When you sit down, it's already 2 inches above your knees. When you sit down, it'll be 4 inches.
Kanga yun na kanga kwa kate kanga si tama kwa singa kinu ko kwa.
And you wonder why the boys' hands are touching your legs.
Awan mo kinang gemane.
They're feeling around
Kaya no
your
hari
legs.
bayang koro ta kawere ke. Kanga to kayo na bebeye yon nang
Watch, it's not clothed, no mat there.
pariya kaya nang wana ke kay yarang ni may ubay yang kaya to kayo ante tirang.
Dress neatly.
Ayarang kana ko na.
Avoid dresses that are too short.
Ang kan ena kamero na para batam. Ato ba iyo pon serious? Yay kakaboni pa yay ay kahari kanta kang ay bukid no niya kakinan.
The dress that we can look through.
Tiyo niya ari kang kuna nurari yana.
It doesn't take a young man who attend USP to look through your dress and know it's color blue, your underwear.
Ay na kuna nura kiya ba bay kikono ko mayam.
And the kids always play a game. I spy something blue.
Iya tay ay kakito kinta ay kapwa te pa ya buru.
And I find it in you.
Ay kuni ay rom.
Avoid dresses that
Pari
we
anora
can look-
anora niyam mari ay buru anora te buru hari bangaya tam
Watch
ari
the
mata.
way you dress.
Kataya tayo no ko niya kagindo niya kan.
The dresses that are too tight.
Tinayin niya kaya mangarang intena bish merabatam.
That reveals the humps and the bumps.
Ayoko ta kang bukim mapera kita team.
You may be saying no to sex, but your dress is saying, yes, come and get it.
Pa kuta ko ba kwagi kan karawa te maguri abwa kan nam ta merabatam ari kwasan kariya te bana karawak.
And I think I'll end it here.
Ay ta ko ba sariya into kay.
When you have special friends, it's still time for observation.
Kaya nga nan na bayay do makang irang special ke kang ira ka pari ere pon do ram ke ang kanira maka special
You must
ibuli na bam tayo taro
Watch and watch.
puntaraya apuntaraya roy
Remember, the Bible says the heart is deceitful above all things
amuri na ta ta bara tenano ponte sa ke ibo ko ni bahay ni kabanam
and desperately wicked.
ay pon nang kayo tak
We're still looking at this time.
as punti mato
Keep
Mura.
your eyes wide open before marriage
kawri do man tam mind yin
and half closed once you are married.
kwasiba kaugi bahay ni kabanam min te yin
You must observe and see everything that you need to know about that man or that girl.
enang kakawag sa taro ay bali ba yung kanina ko punta ko na ba
And when you get married,
ang anak ko yin
keep your eyes half closed.
kamaki matam
Don't start to try and pick up some things about her. That's the time you need to do that before you get married.
Aya po antay ni kamaking kanya matam pare ko yain ay siya kam tay yari kuna kaurey matam yay ayari kaurey matam tay na kaurey matam yay akamakiya matam tay na kuna kamakiya matam yay baka na ko kangay aure mataw ang kanya ngay aware matam kikay ayari na ko te kuna
So
ay
finally,
bure ni mataw
when marriage time comes,
ayari na ro ko tay ni yay
engaged to be engaged.
ayon kanya re tay te yay ni kaya te yana ko kanga te kabebe meron na
It is always wise to get a counselor before you get married.
Eran ka kawag ba na yung ikang atiman na sarili yan na inaroning kami
Our Seventh-day Adventist Church recommends
at karisan kayo subong eran ka ngayo.
that a pastor or counselor counsel you too for maybe 5 sessions or 6.
Tawag mo wag yun no tayo hindi imahin na mi tayo ni Mary. Saan kaya aririnig kami ba sa imahin na mi kami kamasa ni Mary.
So that when you get married, you know things that you need to.
Parang kanang ko yun na
Watch.
kanya ko kwasan nuri bayakan.
And it should not be long when you set a date.
Ako na ang kanyan na rin kaya tayo ko na buhay ti Mary.
But watch.
Mamata ko mo. Okay?
Even after engagement, you can say, well, I don't think he still fits me. I better break off.
Pare, tayo na ba ni kapaya na ba? Kanan na ba yun na ba ito payari kiyay? Kung na ba nagkakanta nga pa kunay.
Remember,
Uwa.
a broken engagement is better than a broken marriage.
Uri nga ba, takapaya uwaki. Irariri na kung timari kiti yay na uwaki.
Because the chicken has not been cooked,
Pare, so yun kuka na kita mo.
the cow is still in the field.
So yun sininga kita ko.
Many things have not been done, but you can say, well, I think I've learned enough, maybe call it off.
Aso yun naman diba, nga yari. Tayo ka ba na ito yari, abota ka musu, nga ya, abota ki at ura na kung tiwi kari wina.
So I want you to know,
Ayari ka ni kawang kami ito tayo.
those are a few things that you need to consider
Ay kay bayga ko na riya iroy niyang uyo.
when you want and plan to get married.
Kataya yang oroy, kataya yang uyaroy. Atay na yun kaos? Ladies and gentlemen, kataya yang uyaroy. Kataya yang uyaroy, bako na pun tara-tara-roy may na iyo.
That's why I said just press the pause button.
Ayari, kanano po iroron nyo tayo? Tana mo pasin na nito.
There are a few things that we have learned that you need to consider with whether he's the right person or the right girl.
Paigay-baygas na rinanoy ba? Ayo roy po ni ngaya. Kisak.
There are 4 more informations that I want to share with you
Yayri kyawa paigay kan marurog ni mang kami tayay.
in the coming few days before I leave.
In mind, jatay yun nakita na kayay.
At the meantime, pray,
Naroon na kawag, stay tayo,
seek
tataro.
God to direct you.
Pusit tayo, abay na kayo ko.
Not too early to go back to that relationship.
Tay katayan, nakon de iroron, katabi.
Just sit and listen until we find all the facts that you need to consider before making your mind to marry him or her.
Ayan, payangan de gamtay, nura roy to paya korean ko roy, mind jatay ko na yeni ay.
May God bless you.
Ati atu ay nakabayang kami ni kapan.
Give a hand for our pastor Duana for that very informative session. I think thank you, Pastor, for sharing. Any 1 or 2 questions? Yeah, so just leave it 1 or 2, and then we.
Ay, iya min sila ito na uwa. Sikan data turong tutan yon na yo, okay? Sakit sila kima iman na ko min sila. Kuno na diri yo mo tira ni kakawak. Kita kina kito ni amatira baya kan na ni kakawak, okay? Kana kamunta oray manunumi yon nung raroy at ay na watay ni man. Dikin kami akam soy ni yen tatayay. Enari kami yen but the yen na nang kakuring kana kampon ong raroy na ta katunuman ay. Tuway sa kisita basta. Matunuman, okay? Ayarang ni man. Agad ka nga bangay lagi sa saniyin, nasa sa nori baye kasi siya ni kaban karoy. Asirimin ako yay. Kami ay kamsoy niyan, kamtoy rimin ako yay. Ayari pun ungara roy kana tagi na kita kay Ito ko tayo kanda baka upa kunanay pa mayan ruam. Okay? Awan ko na po ni kakabayaging kana ko ayeng. Ako na po ni kakangay. Ay rara pa rin na ba ito yari ba? Okay? Pare may sabay kasi kan karoon tayo kari siya. Sabay kasi kan karoon tayo kari siya karang tamarwa. Kanarang tamarwa mo araw su. Okay? Rara ba? Saan na ka na kunti siya? Ay sipor iyam sila kamagan. Anong kawag di sinek? Iwan ang wuwa di sinek? Kamakay ko rin yung sinek, yung kamamang kana ko eh. Nakundi yung direct ah.
No. 5.
Okay, the question from there. Dada the mic, baka ko na akong panam.
Nateden himatang on busy.
Ay, dada lima na ang busy.
Nateden busy.
Dada ang busy, baka akong rari.
Kaya ni sampul pinakataltala. Nung gutar may ke. Beto ko na Nataba kito usaka baka. Ikot ko na may na dating eh. Na dating, ikot ko na may avangkara no mu navatsi mu se. Iko bangkara iloma be na chechi ko kina. But when we look in the advantage, we say that disadvantage, if you go to look for other girls in other churches, sometimes they will pull you. But in the advantage side, you will go and take them. But my question, nung kutaro, ento nung nakangko kito saka pa, balita, kito me besukoy, si ndeta kikoy. Iyo. It's right to do or no?
Madawa kanikuha, and in Legends vision, it seems like me no sabi understand. So, which means we don't understand now what you are talking about, and it's good that you are translating it now to Kiribati. But it's good that we listen to the Fijian language now that our kids speak are from Fiji. Now, sisirakin ka ni Kiribati?
Aw sisiragi ka nga, ikatayin sisiragi na da pasta ba? Debaya katayin ka bara-bara. O katayin ka tiri-tiri, basta nakakaya pura. Ay po ni kain to ispong.
Ay.
Kasi nakakaya rora kain to ispong. Maka na si tarati, anay tira rite akin no, karayin ka tiri-tiri ah. Pati, kana ko kakaya puma po ni kain to ispong.
Ay.
Kana ko kakaya puma sa kain to ispong, nga makasiki, kaski ko.
Ay.
May the advantage, kukunan ni mga kaskiya.
Ay.
Ako kunan ni mga anaiya. Ra?
Nairina no ya.
Nairina no ya.
Antugin jatay ko na mga buni kasi kinakuha.
Now sisiragi, sikunan ni koroyan, jerora ka nga, jeraroy, oin roy, takanta ni nga na.
Ay, arap. Nakakakuman na tayo tayo Kiribati. Ay, minayangan na pati wayo. Okay? Teriri yang ati wayo ang kaya ngayon na, ebon kaunga, sinapun ni kakaya bura, po ni kain tikari siya. Okay? Parihan ni kakanunuwan dapat ay kukunan nday na nung nagkakuha. May kaungay na pa. Pari nga yari tayo tayo sinatiman nagkikiki. Ari tayo tayo yata ginano ng kay pa na sinari kita kangang. Okay? But anyway, I give this time to Pastor Duana to answer this question. I just said that you really emphasizing today that we need to look into the seko. And the experience that was shared at the back from that mother, that was the disaster that happened after choosing someone from outside. But anyway, I give this time to Pastor Duana.
I think we can work out in our thinking.
Itaw ba?
I can win her to the church.
Itaw ba dapat ita sinakuna ani yang uyan na yang ba sinakuna na nani yen na
Maybe
kundi
she's
kali siya.
Catholic, and now I can win her.
tayo ko na ni kasi kaya pa nakuntiyan pa tayo ni Katolik.
But the fact of the matter, sometimes they win us to them.
Manda ba tayo? Aya ki ba amon na rin mo? Gi akasikila nak.
And then we don't go to church
Sa akin na kunti kari siya.
for a few months, years.
Sa akin na kunti kari siya. Tayo na
Then
naman kayo
we
na
go
batili.
and put our foot down to brace ourselves and said, well, I better become a seventh day again. After 4 years, 5 years in the world.
Anda ba tayo sa mga punay rin ano raimin ang tatayaman?
Wasted all those years, wasted much of your influence in the world.
Kwasan kasi nan kwa tayo yarang kakawag yari. Iraw wa diri gari kuna rin pati sa ibubuking ko eh. Kasi na kwa tirong rungay na kuyaman.
You save much of your heartaches and hard work to try and get her in once you are together with her.
E pwede ka pati wana tayo maguri. Yakuan mo ka nga tayo Bible study at tirairin na rin timandan.
Right from the start, when he knows she's not an Adventist, that's a signal to
Kana
find somebody else.
kana ano ba kukunin ba sa kanje kari siya? Ako nga tayo na ini. Kamo kana kukunin ba sa kanje kari siya? Ane punta kani kinahanapan ako yung ma sa ane.
Now
Baka
I am 60, 70, 75.
kaya isipin man mawawririg.
I have seen it. You see, pastor, born in this church, educated in this church, work in this church, retired in this church, and I can prove to you that all those years, it is always wise to find someone in the same faith.
Naroon na tayo na Pastor Duana, ay po isang tayo na may mind. I was talking about this too before Pastor, that you are not only as a pastor, but in Kiribati we call you as the man. It means the elder, someone who is old and with the wisdom. Awayo ang kanyang ate privilege na kuya. Kaya wayo, yasan karawan Noria, inano ni Mauna, na narirei at basta ngayon, na maguri at isang maguri de kare sa ngayon, ay kunia. Papundo ay liligi. Ay si kakaya bura, inano de kare siya, pasinapon ko na ang dikitas, ang kanaro na, pasagi karawan. Ay punis, nayari at ang kaya ngayon nari, sikata wati sinari, at agin na punta kang kaya, iroyan na sina. Okay? Asag singayan niya, may sirik.
Thank you.
Okay, matakan ni kuwa. Saubaya.
Last one.
Ay, the last one. Kanang kwan, hoy tawari, kanang kwan dati, busy kin na, okay? Ay, ikaw nga na, babari ka nga, okay? Dati, kung dati, India, namaste, okay? Akyawa. Ay, yay, kain biasa, kangas na makamtaran, tawaran ako na may sirak. Tara, may sirak. Aka, may sirak, at ay, kay? Aka, arom ni Roro, kanano na po kurang yung tangira. Anda may sirak, kaya kam nasirak, eh? Ha? Yagira bagi? Yagira bagi? Ay.
Thank you, everyone. I think that concludes our evening session for tonight. Thank you for our youth to ask the question. Before we go, I just want to give you a few announcements before we leave here, okay? So just bear with me for a few seconds. Tomorrow morning,